And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 303. Let's talk about the blur tool. It does what the name suggests, it blurs pixels. You have a regular brush again, so you can set the hardness right here, soft around 0, hard around 100%. But the strength here is the most important one, which is the intensity. You have to rasterize whatever you want to apply it to. Let's use the rectangle first, strength of 50%, and you can see how that blurs out the edges. Just left click drag and then hover over the same areas again and again to intensify it. Or if you need a stronger effect, just make it 100% and you can see this a little bit more intense. One of the use cases is to apply it in photo retouching. Let's for example use this one. I copied Ctrl J, I have to rasterize it as well. Start with 100%, that's an extreme blur. Normally you wouldn't go that high. Let me for example use just 10% and I go to the left hand side. So it's left hand row of trees. And you can blur that a little bit out. One specific case where it's used is skin retouching. So let's use this image. I press Ctrl J to copy it, rasterize it yet again. And then I go over the skin with a smaller brush, hardness of 0%, strength, as I've said, fairly low. Let me go to 25. Depending on the image that you use, you have to balance it a little bit out. So if you go too high, let me for example, go a little bit up with the strength. You can see this is going to look very unnatural then. In most cases, 25 is kind of like the upper limit. I would even go down lower in this case, but at around 50%, you can see this too much blur. It looks a little bit unnatural then. And that's how I can use the blur tool in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.